I'm not good at, Tagalog. I still have to grapple with words. So let me just say it in English. I was trying to put my mind in the proper perspective of talking to soldiers. But the one thing that I really liked was not even a soldier. During the Japanese occupation, inaresto nila si Chief Justice Jose Abad Santos. And he was brought to Malabang with his family. But in one of the occasions there, parang pista ata ng hapon yun, he was made to swear to the Japanese flag. At sabi ni Justice Abad Santos, no way. No way kung gawin yan. At wala naman mga tao doon. History records it to be like this. Umiyak yung anak niya. The son cried and begged his father, pumayag ka na lang. Wala naman tao dito. At ano ba naman yan? Simple lang naman yan. Ba't ka pa magpakamatay? And you know what? Ang sagot niya sa anak niya is ganito. Son, do not suggest to me a thing which would be treason to my country. Sabi niya, huwag mo akong iyakan. Kasi hindi lahat ng Pilipino, not all Filipinos are given that rare chance to die for his country. Yan ang tandaan ninyo. Yan ang pinakapaborito. Ako sa Obrisal. But ito sinabi kasi niya, hindi lahat ng Pilipino pinagbigyan. How I wish I would hear my son say something to me on the same, similar, or parallel. At masabi ko sa kanya, thank you. Magpasalamat ka. At binigyan ka ng pagkaroon na ako mamatay rin sa bayan ko. But I'm not a soldier. I don't know kung saan ako papunta, pero ganito yan. Lahat naman tayo. Lahat tayo may sinusunod. Whether you like it or not, there is always a day for you. So, kayong medyo lumusot, means to say, fight again.